This 5-minute solution will show you how to remove, change or edit Bitmoji on Snapchat. So if you created a Bitmoji on Snapchat and now you are wondering how you can change or remove the Bitmoji, follow these quick steps and the process will be similar for Android and iOS device. First of all, launch your Snapchat app. Tap on your profile photo at the top left. Tap on settings at the top right. Tap on Bitmoji. And to edit your Bitmoji, tap on edit my Bitmoji. And from here you can customize your Bitmoji. And to change your Bitmoji outfit, tap on change my outfit, and here you can change your Bitmoji outfit. To change selfie, tap on choose a selfie, and here you can change your Bitmoji selfie. And to delete or remove your Bitmoji, tap on remove my Bitmoji, remove. And this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.